Hey everyone! Kidney health is so important, yet often overlooked. If you or a loved one is struggling with kidney disease or wants to be proactive about kidney health, diet can make a big difference. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize that you should always check with your doctor before making major changes to your diet, especially if you already have kidney disease. With that said, let's look at 12 of the top foods that can support healthy kidneys. 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers contain over 3 times more vitamin C than green peppers. Just one medium red pepper provides 190% of your daily vitamin C needs. This is important because vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. Those with chronic kidney disease tend to have low vitamin C levels, so getting enough from foods like red peppers can be beneficial. In addition to vitamin C, red peppers contain vitamin A, vitamin B6, fiber, lycopene, and potassium. These nutrients work together to protect the kidneys. Aim for at least one serving, about half a cup chopped, 2 to 3 times per week. Red peppers are delicious raw with hummus or in salads. You can also roast them, add them to omelets, or use them in stir-fries. Go for red over other colors since red peppers contain the most vitamin C. 2. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is packed with compounds called anthocyanins, which give it that purple color. Anthocyanins are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and free radical damage to the kidneys. Cabbage also provides insoluble fiber to promote digestive health, vitamin K for bone health, vitamin C for immunity, and potassium to balance fluids. Try incorporating more cabbage into your diet, raw, cooked, or fermented into probiotic-rich sauerkraut. Use it shredded in coleslaws, boiled in soups, sautéed into stir-fries, stuffed into wraps or sandwiches, or baked into slaws. Aim for at least half to 1 cup, serving 2 to 3 times weekly. Napa, Savoy, red cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and broccoli all have similar beneficial properties. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, herring, and sardines contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. Chronic inflammation is linked to faster kidney disease progression. Getting more anti-inflammatory omega-3s from fish or supplements may help slow kidney damage. These fish also contain high-quality protein without putting excess strain on the kidneys like other proteins can. Plus, the vitamin D in fatty fish benefits bone health, which is important since kidney disease increases the risk of osteoporosis. Aim for at least 3-ounce servings of fatty fish twice per week. You can bake, grill, pan-sear, or pan-fry. Add fish to salads, rice bowls, pasta dishes, tacos, and sandwiches, or eat it on its own. If you don't eat fish, taking a fish oil or algae omega-3 supplement is a good option. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that have anti-inflammatory benefits. Research shows that olive oil may help preserve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. It also helps reduce blood pressure. Use extra virgin olive oil as your main oil in homemade salad dressings to drizzle overcooked vegetables, whole grains, and bread. Get at least 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Since olive oil offers the most benefits unheated, try adding it after cooking or using it lightly heated in sauces. The antioxidants are diminished with high heat, so skip frying with olive oil. 5. Berries. The deep, vibrant colors of berries signal that they are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds help fight inflammation and reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Berries are also high in water content, helping with hydration. Some of the best berries for kidneys are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, and cherries. Enjoy a cup of mixed fresh or frozen berries 3 times weekly. Use them in smoothies, on top of salads, blended into yogurt or cottage cheese, or stirred into oatmeal. Frozen berries retain nutrients extremely well. Stock up when they are on sale out of season. Look for unsweetened varieties without added sugars. 6. Garlic. Garlic not only enhances flavor, but also contains a powerful compound called allicin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. This can help protect the kidneys from damage over time and may also help lower blood pressure. Add 2 to 3 cloves of crushed or minced garlic to your dishes 3 to 5 times weekly. Allow chopped garlic to sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate the allicin fully. Then add it to sauces, salad dressings, soups, roast vegetables, meats, or stir-fries. Those with a sensitive stomach may do better with aged garlic extracts instead of fresh garlic. 7. Celery. In addition to being super low in calories, celery is 95% water, making it an ideal food to help with hydration. It also provides electrolytes like potassium, antioxidants like vitamin C, and other nutrients like vitamin K. This supports flushing toxins and preventing dehydration, essential for kidney health. Aim for 1 to 2 stalks of celery 3 times per week. You can enjoy it raw with nut butter or hummus, add it to green juices and smoothies, chop it up for salads, and throw it into soups, stir-fries, and grain bowls. Don't forget the leaves. They contain extra vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. 8. Guava. Guava is an excellent food to incorporate into your diet to improve kidney health and function. It contains high amounts of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects kidney cells from damage. It is also rich in lycopene, which reduces inflammation and kidney injury. The potassium content regulates fluid balance and reduces strain on the kidneys. Fiber-rich guava also supports circulation and digestive health. Guava has strong hydrating properties as it is comprised of about 80% water. Aim for half a cup of fresh or frozen guava 2 to 3 times weekly. You can eat it as a snack or blend it into smoothies, juices, salsas, and salads. 9. Apples. Apples make the list of kidney-friendly foods thanks to their fiber content, potassium, antioxidants like vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin. One study found that subjects who ate an apple daily had lower levels of toxins in their kidneys than those who didn't. So, the old adage of an apple a day also rings true for kidney health. Enjoy apples 2 to 3 times per week as a snack, sliced into salads, baked into oatmeal, or made into homemade applesauce. Leave the skin on for extra fiber and nutrients. If you buy organic, eating the seeds provides extra health perks too. 10. Egg whites. Egg whites provide high-quality, kidney-friendly protein, as the yolks contain excess phosphorus, potassium, and ammonia. For those with kidney disease, egg whites are a great way to get protein without taxing your kidneys. Add egg whites to your breakfast thrice weekly through scrambled, omelets, frittatas, etc. Use just 2 egg whites per serving. You can add them to smoothies or baked goods like cakes and muffins. Look for pasteurized egg whites to avoid the risk of salmonella from raw eggs. Since you'll skip the egg yolks, ensure you get your omega-3s from other sources, like fish and olive oil. 11. Cranberries. Cranberries contain antioxidant compounds called A-type proanthocyanidins. Research shows these may prevent bacteria like E. coli from adhering to cells along the urinary tract, acting as a protective shield. This makes them a kidney-friendly food and urinary tract health booster. Enjoy cranberries 2 to 3 times weekly as juice, dried, fresh, or frozen. Look for unsweetened cranberry juice and moderate your portions, as even the unsweetened juice is high in natural sugar. Stick to 4-ounce juice or a quarter cup of dried or fresh berries per serving. 12. Turmeric. The golden spice turmeric contains curcumin, which gives it its vibrant color and potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Studies suggest curcumin may help protect against acute kidney injury and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Consume turmeric 2 to 3 times weekly by sprinkling it on foods or using it generously in cooking. Add a quarter to half teaspoon to rice, roasted vegetables, eggs, lentils, soups, smoothies, and more. Pair with black pepper to enhance absorption. Curcumin supplements are also an option. There you have it, a deep dive into 12 top foods that can keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Focusing your diet on kidney-healthy foods like guava, fatty fish, cauliflower, berries, celery, turmeric, and more can significantly improve kidney function and slow the progression of kidney disease. Be sure to check with your doctor before making any major dietary changes, especially if you already have kidney issues. In the comments, Let me know which foods you want to add to your meals. Thanks for watching.